Hello, my Geminines. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's run for that. How the month of April 2026 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Favorite to Live family. Now, if you belong to my zodiac cusp signs, reading is out. Okay. And for my zodiac darlings, without further ado, let's begin with your reading and let's see what can we have for you. Angels and spirit guides, how is this month for my darlings? Now, if you wish to follow me on Instagram or Facebook, please follow me. It's Vibra to Live. Would highly appreciate for that. And if you wish to schedule a personalized reading, feel free to DM me and we can take things further ahead. Okay, now let's see what's coming up for you. And the bottom says past lives. So there could be some karmic connections coming up, okay, in this month. You need to face your fears, is what universe is trying to say. Trust in the divine timing. Your ancestors are blessing you, so seek those blessings. But you need to step out of your comfort zone and face. Okay, face your fears. There's nothing to worry about, is what universe is trying to tell you, because everything will be revealed at the divine time. Let it unfold slowly and steadily. Okay. Now let's see what are the other energies trying to tell you. We have participation, comparison, control, master, we are the world, burden, change, stress, silence, and totality. Okay, so what are the energies trying to tell you? You need to stop swinging between two or three responsibilities, because that is what totality is trying to say. There are chances that you are not ready to let go of your past because you feel things are not going the way they should have been going, because that is what the burden is trying to say. Now, what is happening is, unknowingly, I would say, you have a tendency to control people or situations because you feel nobody understands you or nobody values you, for that matter. Maybe that's the reason universe is trying to say gain clarity. The problem lies within you. Now, why such a problem? Because you have a tendency to take stress. Okay, you have a tendency because you want to be a people's pleaser, you want to handle everything. There are times where you feel conflicted because you want to prove. Again, the problem lies within you. So overall, this is what it's trying to say. You need to face your fears, let things unfold at the given time. Do not get scared. You are the master of your life. Positive shifts are coming. Celebration time is coming in your life. But there is so many blockages that you're still holding on to. We are the world, happy, happy time. Finance flow, emotionally, spiritually, everything comes to you. But why are you stopping yourself? So this is what it's trying to say. If you stop yourself, you cannot achieve it. Again, you are my Gemini's, the duality, the air sign. Air is never stable, right? So face a side of yours which is not ready to face the other side. Maybe that is what the universe is trying to remind you, that let go of that control bit. You are the master of your life because your higher self is giving you the guidance. See, that is where the clarity is trying to come, but you are not trying to understand, which angels and the universe is trying to say gain clarity. Financially, you will have a lot of happiness. Emotionally, I think you need to work on yourself. Celebration times are there. Whatever you want, you can achieve. But are you ready? That is what the universe is trying to tell you or is reminding you. Okay, the reason why I'm trying to align these is because you can have a clear view, okay, considering the space. But otherwise, if you ask me, you have a good month. Now let's ask your angels. Okay, what guidance would they like to give you for this month? Angels and spirit guides. We have a lot of moon reading coming up for you in your cards. Okay, so that's the reason. Face your fears. Emotional blockages is something you need to let go. See, and we have beautiful. We have entrepreneur. You want to start something new, you can. Maybe that could have been your block if it is a good period to go ahead or no. I would suggest, or rather, even the angels are saying that have brainstorming sessions with people who understand you, who know you, who can guide you in that particular field. You will find the loopholes. Initially, you couldn't do anything, but maybe now you can do things. So that's the reason. Work on that side. Okay. Now let's come to your love life. Let's see. Angels and spirit guides. We have, oh, you've got beautiful cards. We have ascending photograph, healthy choices, and engagement ring. So if you are seeing someone and you are serious, yes, you will get engaged, and yes, things are going up. Healthy choices, you have a possibility of getting into multiple affairs. So please make wise choices. Let go of your past, start creating new memories. Maybe you're stuck. And again, we have ascending, so good days are coming up. Maybe that's where it's ascending, and this is how you should be working. Okay. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides. Let's take this. Judication. Again, anything relating to court cases, out of court settlement should help you. Be careful when it comes to paperwork. Maybe that is what it's trying to say. Read the in between lines. So, how should I sum up this month? Face your fears. There is nothing that you need to be worried. Every time, universe is going to test you. It's trying to figure out, have you come overcome your fears? Whatever it is, it will unfold at the given time. When you work on yourself, when you stop taking people's responsibilities, when you step out of your comfort zone and allow things, then yes, beautiful shifts, positive shifts are embracing you. Your angels are saying you've got a leadership quality, work on that side of yours. At the matters of heart, if you are seeing someone, you are going escalating on a hierarchy side. And if you've been single, you will have multiple choices, but the choice remains up to you. Again, if you've not let go of your previous past, you cannot create new memories. Anything related to court cases, please deal with it carefully in the present mindset. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.